Hey guys, just driving into work here and wanted to share this little tidbit with you. As a business owner and as a CPA, I work with a lot of business owners, and the one thing that I see that a lot of new businesses make the mistake of is thinking that just because they started a business, they are now something special. Okay, you've seen the statistics. You know how many businesses fail in the first 5 years and the first 10 years. It's astronomical. And I think a big part of that is some of it is just idea, but a lot of it also is that the business owner somehow thinks, the new business owner somehow thinks that just because they opened a business, people are going to just come running to their door to buy their product or service. And unfortunately, that's just not the case. Most new businesses are not unique enough to warrant people running to your door to buy your product or service. So the point being that, you may think that it's pretty special that you're starting a business, and don't get me wrong, I think it's fantastic. I have so much admiration for business owners and people that take that step and go out on their own. But the fact of the matter is that people generally don't care that you started the business. And so it's up to you as the business owner to get that word out and make sure that, you're on social media, you're shouting from the rooftops, you've got your unique selling proposition, you're going to events. In short, you got to hustle. You got to get out there. You got to make it happen if you want this business to work. Okay? So, point of this, just because you're starting a business doesn't mean you're going to, go out there and kill it and make a bunch of money and everyone's going to buy your product and service. Get out there and hustle, make this thing work for you. All right? Hope this helped. We'll talk to you soon.